are going to be making fudge. And I am such an excited and happy mood because we reached 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to all you out there who subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click notifications, subscribe, and like this video. Now let's hop right into it. You are going to take some condensed sweetened, actually. You don't want, well, you can do unsweetened, but it's part of a fudge, so. Oh, wow. I'm actually going to get a spatula after that part drops. Okay, spatula it is, because this is not coming out as well as I thought it was going to come out. So where's the spatula? I'm just, okay. I couldn't find a spatula, but that's alright. We got a wooden spoon. Same thing. Same, but different. Who knows? And we're going to actually just mix it in this bowl. We're not going to make it in this bowl. Okay, that seems to be it. And then you're going to add some chocolate chips. You can use any type of chocolate chips, or sometimes you can even use maybe peanut butter, or maybe you could do chocolate peanut butter. Any type really works. I think that's enough. Or maybe we should pour the rest. And then you're going to take it over here. Handy dandy microwaver, which we use a lot. So make sure you have one of these. Then you're going to go for 30 seconds. Hold on. I got a new microwave, so I just got to press start. Okay. And then, yeah, I'm going to throw this away. And then while that's, whoa! Almost slipped. Okay, while that's going, I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray it. You can also use parchment paper, but we just have to decide to this because it's just kind of sort of easier. We try with parchment paper. Just going to lightly spread. That should be enough. Now, see? And then you're going to take it by the edge. Okay, take it by the edge. Push this over here. We're going to take this spoon that we already used. Yeah. Ooh, what's the point? Ooh. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to mix this well. I'm going to have to put this in for longer. So. Put this in. And if you're using a metal spoon to stir it, or a metal spatula, something like that, do not put it in the microwave. It is super flammable. Okay, back to 30 seconds. Take this time to like and subscribe by the time that's done. Okay, now that's done, gotta mix it really well. And then I got some red and green because I'm making this as a Christmas fudge. That's why it's white, red, and green. Ooh, see? See? I don't think we'll need to put it on any longer as long as we keep stirring fast. I'm a little detailed person. And, ooh, this is gonna be really good, guys. Really good. Okay. And that actually seems good, but here's the thing. I still see some bumps. So, one more stir ought to do it. A little more stirring. And see, it's starting to thicken up because it's already cooling. And that actually should be good. Okay, now we're going to pour it into this little pan or any pan. Depends on the bowl that you're using. You might use more than this and more of the chocolate chips, so you might have to use a bigger pan. But we're just going to use this one because, well, it actually looks really cool for a Christmas, what should we call it? Ooh, okay, this one. Okay. Now we're going to put just a little bit of this. Should be good. And then we're going to put some red. Right on top. Or we're going to put a little more green. And more in the middle. And then some more red. Kind of doing a layering action, as you can see. And then you're going to pop this in the fridge. Put this in the fridge for about an hour. And now we're going to eat it. Delicious.